Hey there. Today we'll learn how to configure Google Analytics 4 and Outgrow so you can track user behavior, monitor key events, and gain valuable insights into how people interact with your content. To get started, log into your Google Analytics account and click on Admin. Under the Property column, select Data Streams, then choose the data stream you want to connect with your Outgrow content. If you have multiple data streams, be sure to select the correct one. Once you've opened the data stream, copy the measurement ID, which typically starts with G. Next, log into your Outgrow account and open the content piece you'd like to track. Navigate to the Configure tab under General and SEO settings. Click on Tracking and Events and paste your measurement ID into the GA4 field. Save your changes and you're all set. Once connected, Outgrow will automatically begin tracking important user interactions. These built-in events help you understand how users engage with your interactive content from start to finish. To view this data, head back to Google Analytics and navigate to Reports, then Engagement, and finally Events. Here you'll find all the events being sent from your Outgrow content. Just remember that it may take up to 24 hours for new events to appear in your reports. If you'd like even deeper insights, Outgrow also lets you create custom GA4 events. Click on Customize Google Analytics for Events to configure tracking for specific actions across your content. On the Welcome screen, you can track when users land on the page and when they click the Start button. On the Questions page, you can track question views, clicks on the Next button, and lead form submissions. And on the Results page, you can track when users reach the page and which specific result or outcome they view. With Outgrow and GA4, you can track how users interact with your content, monitor important engagement events, create custom event tracking for deeper insights, and make smarter, data-driven decisions to improve performance. Try it yourself and start measuring every meaningful interaction with your Outgrow content. Sign up for Outgrow's 7-day free trial today.